name is Ping. This is PingsWorld. Let's make some masks. In my last video, I showed you how to make a simple facial tissue mask. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a reusable mask with cotton fabric. First, you want to cut out a piece of cotton fabric, 24 inches in length and then 8 inch or a little bit more in width. This is the fabric I cut out from my old t-shirt. So I'm going to fold this over, but you want to leave an inch out. So you need 2 hair elastics. We'll gather the fabric and put one here. And then gather fabric, put one here. So I'll show you, actually you want to fold this down. The reason you want to leave this 1 inch out is because, let me turn it around so you can see better. It's because we need to fold this a little bit and then fold it over and gather the top part of the elastic inside. So this is the part you start to, from the beginning, to hem all the way until you finish the fabric here. Now this is the finished one. You remember earlier I told you before you hem, you want to fold this down a little bit, so after you hem it, this will naturally roll over this way, and then the outside looks nice but also is more secure, tighter on your face. Another thing is when you hem this, you have to fold this a little bit before you hem it, so you can see the edge is very clean, it's secure, nice and tight. And another thing is very important is you should not hem this into the elastic, because you want to make sure elastic is movable, otherwise you cannot wear that. Here are a few options. The first option is you can cut out 2 to 3 inches of pipe cleaner and put it inside where you rolled it, the 2 layers, put it inside here in the center and then roll it back. And this allows you, by the way, this is the top part, so this allows you to adjust that around your nose so that the mask will fit better and tighter. The second option is to increase the breathability and protection. You can actually insert additional cotton fabric in there. Here I have 1 fabric cut out and I fold it into 2 layers, and then I fold it again, so that's 4 layers. I put it in between the 2 layers of the fabric we have here, put it inside. And then I'll wear that. Here's the finished product on my face. You can see when I press here, the pipe cleaner helped adjust and fit my mask closely to my nose. With extra 4 layers insert, now I have 6 layers of protection. It's breathable, it's comfortable. But remember, when you come back from wearing that, make sure you only touch your elastic, remove the mask gently, and put it in boiling water to boil up to 5 minutes. And then hand dry, and you can reuse that next day and the next day. Hopefully we don't have to use that for very long. Thank you for watching. 谢谢. If you like this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe.